In the ancient era of astronomy, the only source of knowledge was the nature. Whatever the astronomers could see, visualize, and theorize came to be a discovery. These astronomers then invented various instruments such as the telescope for further exploration in the cosmos. These people then wrote books related to their research in astronomy. Books are still a strong source of knowledge, but something which has overcome this stage is technology. Now you get apps as a source of knowledge for any sort of thing you want to learn in astronomy. So today we'll be having a look at one such astronomy app which is very interesting source of knowledge and very easy to use, the NIGHTSHIFT app. So let's move on to my mobile screen and have a look at this astronomy app. So we are here on my mobile screen. So the first step is open Play Store and search for the NIGHTSHIFT app. So you have to search for the NIGHTSHIFT app. So here you will find a NIGHTSHIFT Stargazing and Astronomy app. So you have to click on this. So I have already installed this app. It is around a 20 MB app with a rating of 4.7 star rating. So it is a very good rating. So let's open this app and have a look at it. So as soon as you open, you will see something like this. But before understanding this app, let's understand about NIGHTSHIFT. So you have to go on the three bars and click on about NIGHTSHIFT. So it says NIGHTSHIFT, the stargazing assistant. NIGHTSHIFT helps you find the best opportunities for astronomical observation, assists you in observing your favorite objects, and gives you tips about what can be seen into night sky. So it is idea, design and development by the Waddensky Astronomy. It also tells you the sources it uses, the methods it uses, such as for position of planets, visibility, and other sorts of things. So you can first check out this and then have a look at the remaining apps. So now I am on forecast. In the forecast section, it tells you the stargazing conditions. So there are excellent stargazing conditions tonight. So now I have entered the location of Pune, as you can see. So you can set the location by observing locations. So here I have set the location of Pune and Mumbai. So by clicking on this red spot, you can add the location. So any sort of thing, such as I take Delhi. So you will find Delhi, India, and you click on this, and then so you already have the country and other things. So you have to click on save, and the location is added. So if you click on these locations, the stargazing conditions are according to the city, but now I'll click on Pune city. So there are excellent stargazing conditions tonight in Pune on 23rd May. So it also tells you the timing. So 8 hours 9 minutes remaining until 4:37 a.m. So it also gives you a weather forecast about the clouds, precipitation, humidity, temperature, and weather tools. So it has also given the website from which it obtains the data. Now if you click on now, then you will find out the darkness, the current darkness. So 0% cloud cover, the sun altitude, moon altitude, the phase, and you also from the equator, and you also get the current cloud cover, the live cloud cover. So you can see it is moving, and this infrared image is directly from the satellite. So if you click on this question mark, so it tells you infrared images of the cloud cover of the last 4 hours. So the displayed times are in UTC. It updates the current cloud cover every 4 hours. Now if we click on highlights, if you see, then it gives at a glance, that means information about the sun rise and set times of sun and moon, darkness, duration, visibility, planets and active meteor showers for selected night. So the selected night is the tonight, so the today's night. So the rise and set of the sun and moon, and also the darkness is given. 5:58 even 7:04 a.m, etc. So it also tells you the sun moon darkness. So it tells you 5 planets, so planets visible tonight. So there are 5 planets visible tonight: Jupiter, Saturn, Mars, Neptune, Uranus. So it also tells the stargazing conditions. So Jupiter will be the chances, observing conditions of Jupiter are excellent. For Saturn they are excellent, Mars they are excellent, Neptune they are excellent, Uranus they are very poor. So this can change. The visibility of planets also can change. It can turn out to be 6 planets visible, 5 planets visible, or more or less also. So it also tells the meteor shower, active meteor shower. So the Aquarids meteor shower is active until 28 May and peak 6 May. So peak 6 May means on 6 May it will be clearly visible to us. So it shows these sorts of things. So now the blank space which you can see, so over there it tells you the special 2-night stargazing events or various astronomy events. So there are no such events today, so this section is blank. Now if we click on, so this observing location is on Pune, it is from Google Maps. So now if we click on moon, then it will tell you the phases of moon, the observing conditions, and it will also tell you the weather tools. Then visibility using various instruments, also with our naked eye, binoculars, 80 mm refractor, 200 mm catadioptric, 300 mm reflector. So it tells you easy at 45x, easy at 41x, and so observing conditions. And it also tells you the input value. So what should be the what should you have for good conditions, observing conditions. So background brightness should be 21 and maximum eye pupil should be 7 mm, area should be 569, minimum extinction, surface brightness, combined brightness, contrast, etc. And also if we click on back, now we'll check out planets. So so it also shows the planets visible tonight. So if we click on Mercury or Venus, either of both, then you will find the observing conditions. So there are no observing conditions, and just as you saw about moon, the input values and various other things. So here easy at 201x. So using various instruments, input values also change or they can remain same according to which planet you choose. And now we'll have a look at the deep sky objects. So there are more than 100 deep sky objects such as the cluster, various galaxies, stellar or supermassive galaxies, then also various nebulae, then various constellations, etc. So if we click on Messier 31, various Messier objects also. So if we click on Messier 31, the galaxy in Andromeda, so it tells you the observing conditions. You also get a graph of the observing conditions over here. There are excellent conditions tonight, and again using various instruments. So invisible at 43x. So here using these instruments, they are invisible, and it also tells you the input values. So of course they will change because this is a Messier object. And so these all observing conditions are from Pune. So as I have entered the location of Pune. Now if we had a look at the observing location, so we'll directly move on to the telescopes. So if we click on telescopes, it's So I have chose these telescopes, the binoculars, refractor, catadioptric, and reflector. So you can add the types of telescopes. So you have to choose whether you want binoculars, refractors, reflector, catadioptric. So if I click on refractor, then they ask for main, aperture, focal length, and other stuff. So now I don't want to choose any other types of telescope. So now after watching the telescopes, the most interesting feature of this night shift app is the astronomical clock. So when you click on this, you get all sorts of times. So the current device time is 8:35 p.m. Coordinated universal time you have on 23rd May, that is UTC. Then you have the Julian day. So Julian day works according to the Julian calendar. So there are various patterns for various days, such as the days of Monday are multiples of 7, and there are various other patterns for various days. Then they show the Greenwich Mean Time and the local mean time. So Greenwich Mean Time is 7 hours estimated, and local mean sidereal time is 12 hours. So Indian Standard Time is 5 hours ahead. So if we add 5 hours to the Greenwich Mean Time, that is 7 hours, you get the local mean time or the mean time of India or Pune. So here you have the very astronomical clocks with various times. So this was a complete view of the night shift app. And also there is a new feature, the support night shift. So here you get 3 monthly subscription in the Google Play Store, and also various meteoric, asteroidal, lunar, planetary, solar supporters. So there are various prizes for 3 months, so you can buy any of these. And now so this was the complete look over of this app. So you can contact and feedback too. So now I'll not have a look at this. So wandysky.com on this website. So I hope you liked this app and also enjoyed this video. Please share this video to your family and friends, so they'll also be able to get to know about this app and also install it in their phone for understanding stargazing conditions, observing conditions. So this is a perfect app for astronomy. So thank you everyone, and please subscribe Astronomy with Manas for more such interesting videos. And I thank you so much.